now I want to get to Suleiman. Suleiman, you're also a next door neighbor, if you will, in terms of Jordan. So you obviously have, and with the Union of Arab Banks and your kind of hat, you see a lot of things happening across the Arab world and beyond. But particularly, do you see, obviously, we kind of know for the most part, but do you see similar trends in Jordan? Does Jordan have something that's a bit different in terms of what else is happening in the region? I mean, in terms of this kind of economic development and diversification, in particular with digital transformation?
Sure. A very, very important question, Richie. And to start with regards to Jordan and how Jordan has decided to embark on the digital economy development journey, the very good sign that Jordan sent to the neighboring countries and to the world is when they established the Digital Economy Ministry, because digital economy is not a technology pursuit. It's not a digital pursuit. It's a socio-economic pursuit that impacts at large the country's existence, competitive advantage, and growth, and an aspirations agenda. So while transitioning into the digital economy and from the conventional economy, the key word here is institutionalization. How would you institutionalize the effort so that the energy, investments, and efforts and everything that's put into this pursuit is actually going to lead to the right to the desired outcomes? And I think the case of Jordan with the establishment of the Digital Economy Ministry is an important first step towards proper institutionalization of efforts around the digital economy and digital economic development activities. From other countries in the region, I think they're still lacking. Really, the weakest spot around the digital economy is not the intentions. It's actually the sustainability of those efforts and those and the translation of those intentions into initiatives that could deliver on the mandate. And I do see a huge gap in institutionalization in various geographies, in the majority of the Arab countries, to be honest. And only a few countries have established the right disciplines around the digital economy thinking, and also strategy, and moving from strategy to execution. There's still everybody's on the learning curve, and I think this panel is one good conversation that could extend some learnings from one country to another. Particularly, we look at it from why at the Union of Arab Banks that's of an important that's paramount to us, because digital economy is multi disciplinary, cross-sector. So it's a whole country's economy moving and transitioning from old ways of doing things to new ways of doing things, right? And it's the emergence of new business models. It's the emergence of new governance models, not only business models for the commercial sector, but also governance models for governments. And that's what we used to call e-governance in the region. So it's really cross-sectoral, and I will stop here. Happy to elaborate further during the conversation, Richie.
Excellent. Thank you, Suleiman.